Hey lovies, it's me Nisha coming to y'all today, and today I want to talk to y'all about my natural hair. Your girl been struggling. Like, she has been struggling. Okay, like struggling. And if you guys do not know, I have been natural for almost 7 years. And I've cut my hair a number of times. Um the last time I cut my hair was in June. June? It was like mid-June. And I cut about, I would say, an inch to an inch and a half off. I didn't do it. I went and got it done because I know if I would have did it, I would have babysat it really. And that's not what I wanted to do. But yeah, the last time I had my hair cut was in June. It was either June or July, one of them. I cannot pinpoint. It was one of them J's, like June or July, one of them. And so ever since then, I have noticed that my hair is thinning up in my edges. Like my edges, I'm losing my edges. I'm losing them. So I'm finna insert some pictures and a little quick video of what they look like. Okay, so now you see my dilemma. You see what your girl going through. And I gotta do something. I gotta do something. So I hopped on YouTube and I did some YouTube research, if you will, about hair growth, regrowing your edges. I watch a whole bunch of videos, and I'm no stranger to castor oil. I love castor oil. My hair loves castor oil, but castor oil alone just was not working, and I used all kinds of castor oil, just like on my edges with peppermint oil, like all that stuff. It wasn't working for you, girl. So I decided to find another oil to work in conjunction with oils that do work for my hair. And I came across Amla Oil. Don't know if you guys use it, don't know if you guys have ever heard of it or anything like that, but I watched a couple of videos on Amla Oil, and people said how good it was for their hair, how much their hair growed, and all this and all that and all that shenanigans. So I said, okay, we gonna see. We gonna see if Amla Oil gonna live up to the hype that YouTube is pumping up. Okay, we gonna see. So I got this oil off of Amazon, and this big old box of oil is 10.14 fluid ounces, was about $6 or $7. I think it was about $7 with tax or whatever. And I'm a little bit scared. Like, I'm a little bit scared of this oil because some people say it don't smell. It don't really smell good. And I ain't one of them people who can just put stuff in their hair and it stinks and just live. Like, I don't know how some people do it, but I'm just not one of those people who can do it. So before I purchased that one, I did make my own oil. Now, it did not smell good. Like, I wouldn't say it smelled horrible. Like, I've smelled like Ayurvedic hair products that smelled worse, but I just could not put it on my hair and live and go on in life and do all those things. So what I had to do was I had to tweak it a little bit to my liking. So inside here I have Brahmi powder, Amla powder, olive oil, castor oil, Jamaican black castor oil, hemp seed oil, peppermint essential oil, and tea tree essential oils in here. And so that is the only way I got it to how I think I would like it in my hair. If I wanted my hair to smell like anything, it would have this in it. You know what I mean? So I made that. The only thing I'm a little bit iffy about when it comes to the one that I made, I did not let it sit on the stove for 4 or 5 hours, or however many hours you're supposed to let it simmer or whatever. So the all the antioxidants or all the good properties that your hair need can come up or whatever. And I didn't do that. I just let it sit. I mixed everything and let it sit. I think it was about 3 or 4 days. I let it sit, and then I strained it and I put it in this bottle. So I'm gonna see how each one works. I'll probably use one for 2 weeks and then use another one for 2 weeks and see what kind of difference it does for my hair, if there's a difference or whatever, and let you guys know, let you guys see how everything turns out, how everything goes. I am just ready to wear my hair out, and I'm at a point now where I'm very self-conscious, like very self-conscious. Anytime my hair is out and I see somebody looking, I just kind of feel like, Lord, do she see my bald spot? Jesus. I just be like, Lord, just cover it, just cover it, Lord, just please, like don't let them be looking at my bald spot. And it's just me being self-conscious, because most of the time people looking at my puff, or they looking at the texture of my hair, they looking at, you know, however it's styled or whatever. They ain't really paying attention to my bald spot. It's just me. It's me. And I only have one, I have two. And my edges are thin, and I have two bald spots, and I gotta do better. I have to do better. And it's my fault because I have partly neglected my hair. Like when it comes to wash day, I wash, condition, deep condition, moisturize, seal, throw it up in and wear a wig for the week at work. Like that is my routine, and I have gotten so into it until like I don't even like wash my hair midweek anymore. And I used to wash my hair twice a week, and like made sure it was like thoroughly moisturized and ends were trimmed, like all of that good stuff. And I have neglected it this year, like so much, and it's starting to show. And I must do better, because I think January will be 7 years I'll be natural, and the length of my hair is just not where I knew it was gonna be by the time I hit year 7. Like I just no, it ain't there yet. So I'm gonna do better, but I did want to document this process just in case, you know, it does work, just in case the Amla oil does work. Either one of them, just either one of them, I'll be okay with either one of them working, because I know I can make this again, and I know I can purchase this again. So anyway, whichever one works, I'm here for it. Get your girl some edges, please, and thank you. Like that's all I want. I just want some edges. I want some edges, and I want my bald spot going. I want it filled in. Yes, Lord, I do. I really, really do. But that's all I wanted to come to you guys and let you guys know, is that what I have going on with my natural hair. And I wanted to document this journey because somebody out there could be struggling just like I'm struggling, and if this worked for me, it could work for you. So until next time, I will talk to you guys later. Bye, lovies.